What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, FS2S. I just wanted to give you all a little bit of an update on what's going to be going on suspension-wise with the 6.7 dually here in the future. But first, I really need to give the truck a quick wash and then head to the store and go pick up something real quick. So stay tuned throughout the video because somewhere in the video I'm going to be revealing a huge hint to something that's going to be really wild going on the truck here very soon. And so, let's go. Just look at how dirty this truck is. This was caused after just one drive in this melting snow. It's hilarious. I can't keep this thing clean to save my life. But I guess we're gonna go wash it anyway. The truck looks so much better now. There's no longer a sheet of dirt covering the entire thing. Everything looks like it's the color it's supposed to be. So I've washed the truck and I went to the store, picked something up, and now I'm back home and the truck is looking good. Hopefully this time it will last a little bit longer since it looks so much better when it's clean. And now I can get into the suspension part of this video. As you can see, I've already unboxed everything and laid it all out. right here we have the two new replacement front coil springs. They already come preset, so I shouldn't have to worry about too much settling. So that's always a good thing. We have these new heavy-duty upper and lower control arms. Here's the drop pitman arm. This is necessary in order to reduce the drag link angle. We have the sway bar drop brackets, a bunch of hardware, and of course we have the track bar relocation bracket as well. I believe all the metal is a 1/4 inch thick. And then for the rear of the kit, it comes with these 2-inch lift blocks here, and these funny looking bump stops. As far as U-bolts, I'm hoping that these that came with the kit will work. Seeing as the truck is a dually, they might need to be swapped out. I don't know, they might work. I guess we'll find that out later. And then in this box here, we have the carrier bearing drop brackets for the 2-piece drive shaft. I do actually want to swap it out for a 1-piece down the road, but I guess that'll be for another time. And I cannot forget, I also have the brand new Fox 2.0s for the front and rear of the truck. And of course, everything came with plenty of decals and warning stickers. And that's about all there is to it. Although before I install, I am going to need to have these springs, blocks, control arms, and anything else that I can get powder coated a brand new color. And so there you have it. The truck will be getting the 4-inch Superlift installed once I figure out who can powder coat everything for me. So stay tuned for that, and also stay tuned to see just how wild this truck is really gonna get. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Here we go. That'll work.